I call my friend to ask her out. I call my friend to ask her out. I ask if she wants to go for coffee. I ask if she wants to go for coffee. She agrees to join me. She agrees to join me. We choose a beautiful, quiet coffee shop. We choose a beautiful, quiet coffee shop. I check the location on Google Maps. I check the location on Google Maps. Disconnection. We decided to meet at 3 p.m. We decided to meet at 3 p.m. I get ready to go out. I get ready to go out. I pick up my bag and my phone. I pick up my bag and my phone. I wear something comfortable. I wear something comfortable. I take my wallet with me. I take my wallet with me. I walk to the cafe. I walk to the cafe. I see people sitting outside. I see people sitting outside. The coffee shop looks cozy and clean. The coffee shop looks cozy and clean. I open the door and walk in. I open the door and walk in. The smell of hot coffee fills the air. The smell of hot coffee fills the air. I look around for my friend. I look around for my friend. She waves at me from the corner. She waves at me from the corner. I smile and walk to her table. I smile and walk to her table. We greet each other and sit down. We greet each other and sit down. I look for the waiter. I look for the waiter. I politely ask for the menu. I politely ask for the menu. The waiter brings it to our table. The waiter brings it to our table. I thank him with a smile. I thank him with a smile. I open the menu and start reading. I open the menu and start reading. There are many drinks in the list. There are many drinks in the list. I ask for a recommendation. I ask for a recommendation. I decide to order an iced latte. I decided to order a iced latte. My friend orders a cappuccino. My friend decides to order a cappuccino. We sit down and wait patiently. We sit down and wait patiently. Soft music is playing in the background. Soft music is playing in the background. We start chatting. I ask about her work and family. I ask about her work and family. The waiter brings us our order. The waiter brings us our order. He also brought 2 cheesecakes. He also brought 2 cheesecakes. I thank him for his service. I thank him for his service. We enjoy and drink happily. We enjoy our drink happily. We ask the waiter to take the bill. We ask the waiter for the bill. We enjoyed the food. It was so yummy. We enjoyed the food. It was so yummy. We decided to take a selfie together. We decided to take a selfie together. We stand up and get ready to leave. We stand up and get ready to leave. We decided to come again next week. We decided that we will come again next week. We say goodbye to each other. We wave goodbye to each other. I feel happy after our coffee time. I feel happy after our coffee time. It was a simple but lovely afternoon. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Comment down below which video would you guys like to see next. And until next time,